Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be an eyebrow tutorial. Don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe. I will be using Hegai Esther brow gel in Toffee and this small angled brush for the application. I will be starting with the lower outline of the brow. This step is really important as it will determine the shape of your brows when you are done. I will be using the tip of the brush so that the line can be as precise as possible. Next, I'm using this brow tamer from Tamer Essentials to brush my brow hairs and make them straight. The brow tamer is especially good for people with full and unruly brows. It helps to get that sleek look when you're done. Next, I draw the outline for the upper part of the brows. I usually like to start at the arc area and work my way down towards the tail. Then I work my way to the beginning of the brows, but I usually don't draw it up to the extent where I drew the lower eyebrow. That's because I don't want it to have this kind of a box shape. I like to keep it a bit natural at the beginning. Next, I'm using this tinted brow gel from Beautylinebydidi to fill the middle of my brows. I just simply brush it on, following the direction of my natural brow hairs. This brow gel comes in 3 different shades. I'm using chocolate, which is the darkest. I'm dark, so I don't like my brows to be too light. Next, using LA Girl concealer in Fawn and a flat brush, I'm highlighting my brows starting from the arc area to the tail, and then moving to the beginning of my brows. For the beginning of the brows, I'm doing a mixture of the concealer with my normal foundation, which is Maybelline Superstay in Cocoa. That's because I want it to look a bit more natural at the beginning, but at the same time, I still want it to be a bit highlighted, if that makes sense. Then I blend out any harsh line with my blending brush. Next, I'm highlighting the upper part of my brows. Here, I'm only using my foundation as I do not like my brows highlighted at the top. Personally, I like to highlight the tail and the beginning, or any one of them first, don't mind me. Then I will now join them together at the arc. It's just a personal thing. That's the easiest way for me. Let me know if this works for you too in the comment section. And that's my simple eyebrow routine, guys. I'll just repeat the same steps on my second eyebrow while checking the one I've done to make sure that their shapes are as close as possible.
mountain I've been climbing is nothing but sand, yo. I didn't know, I already had the answers. No, I didn't know. But if I had known, the life I was searching for was looking me right.
If you enjoyed this eyebrow tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, please subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.